You are about to learn how to use a new graphical system for preparing your favorite recipes. Let's see how fun and easy cooking can be. There are just 4 basic elements you should be aware of: the square, the circle, a cup, and the timer. The square icon represents a teaspoon. If you see a number inside it, that indicates which seasoning you are going to use. For example, number 1 is your pink salt, while number 2 corresponds to black pepper. When the square icon is shown to be 3/4 full, you will need to use 3/4 of a teaspoon. If the icon is half full, then use half a teaspoon. This rule applies to all other icons as well. A full circle represents 1 tablespoon. When you see a number next to the icon, this multiplies the measurement. In this case, it means you will need 3 tablespoons of oil. The third icon represents 1 cup. Each line shows a measure of time. This indicates how long to wait before adding more ingredients or moving on to the next step. Let's take a look at the full graphical recipe. At the top, you will see name of the recipe, average cook time, and the number of servings. Start at the top and work through each line from left to right. Let's start cooking now. Follow the recipe, and using the icons will ensure a yummy meal.